Good afternoon, everybody. I want to welcome you to Peter's AutoVlog. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, welcome to Peter's AutoVlog. My name is Pedro Vega, and for those who are joining us from before, welcome back to the channel. Here we go in front of me. I got a 2021 Ford F150, brand new model, refreshed, redone. Ford's best-selling car, basically best-selling truck in the whole United States and the world. So this one that we have here today in front of us is a Velocity Blue Metallic with a gray cloth interior. XLT model, 4x4 with the FX4 package. Really good looking truck. But this one's got the chrome package on it. We got some LED headlights with the LED headlamps as well, as you can see here. Really nice truck, really beautiful color. This really extends the lines of the F-150. So we got some off-road tires. Really nice truck. So here we're gonna go do a quick test drive on it first. Actually, we got the key here with us, and we are going to do this. Is an automatic, opens up the tailgate, which is an awesome feature. This one doesn't have the work tab or the workbench that usually they include here. This has just got model openers real quick here, but overall no bed liner on this one, but pretty good size, 5-inch, if I'm correct, at 5-inch, a 5-foot bed in the back here. No automatic up on this one, unfortunately, so we gotta raise this up, but really good. Backup camera with a light as well. We got LED lighting in the top inside the bed. Really cool truck. All right, guys, awesome looking F-150. And before we go on, I want to give a big thank you and a shout out to Bartow Ford here in Bartow, Florida. They've been very gracious and very kind to let me this beautiful truck and other trucks and other cars they've lent me as well. Thank you, Randy, and thank you, Bartow Ford. You guys have been great. Thank you for working with me. And if you guys are looking for a Ford car or truck in Central Florida or anywhere in the U.S., please give Bartow Ford a try. They have a great team. I've been purchasing cars for them as well, so they've given me a great service, not only in the service department but also in sales. So thank you very much, Bartow Ford, again, and let's go on to the next one. Truck. And take a quick look at the interior here. See, we got that really nice, I really love the cloth here. It seems very rugged. Love this two-tone as well. No sunroof on this one here, no panoramic sunroof, but you can see we got the rubber floor mats option on this one here. Really like the calm of the interior because I really love cloth seat, not leather seats here in Florida. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here today, but it's 90 degrees and it gets super hot in Florida, sticky. And everybody who lives here knows if you get into a car with leather seats and shorts, it's gonna burn your bums off. So really nice truck. So let's head over to the interior. So we got power seats, lumbar. We got all kinds of course, automatic. We got manual telescoping and tilting steering wheel. Obviously, we got all the controls here. Let's get into it. This one here, it's got the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. All right, guys, so we are inside the Ford F150 XLT with the 4x4 package. So also we got, I'm gonna pan around here, as you can see, we got all kinds of grab handles. Really nice interior here. We got sort of a rugged plastic, but it feels pretty good. It feels like it's gonna very kind of I don't know, workable, you know, with kind of the resist kind of scratches and stuff. So we got a bit of a plastic here, aluminum, kind of like a dark aluminum with a lighter aluminum here. We got the temperature, we got your fan speed here, dual sound AC, we got your stereo system here, of course. We got your volume, we got your tone control here. Obviously, you got a 12 volt, we got a 120 house outlet here. You got your brake controllers over here. Obviously, you got your 4x4. We're in 2 high right now, 4 high, 4 low in your brake mode here. Pro trailer assist as well, which I'm not messing with that because I don't have a trailer tow. So we got some very good storage here. Lots of huge bay here. Let me just grab this out of here. So we got obviously your USB ports right here, CNA. There's like a little storage bin here. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's got some sort of storage bin here that kind of plugs in there with a phone. I don't see, trying to see if I can find, I don't see a plug here, but you can put your phone here. Obviously plenty of room for your drinks. Then here we got storage in the middle, which is huge. You can definitely put something in there. We got a Bit of tray here with coins. You can definitely put a lot of stuff in here. And it is lockable. As you can see, it's got a, no, it's not, yes, but it looks like it's, no, it's got, I gotta make sure, I'll let you know. It might be lockable with a key. Huge thing here. And really like this. We got your glove box right here, plenty of space. And big screen. Obviously you got all your camera here. You can just switch this here to your camera. Obviously you got your automatic stop, hazards. You got your downhill grade control and your stability traction off here. So really nice truck. And let me see if we got all your, obviously this windows. Oh crap. Yep, they're power windows up. Let me see the rear. No, the rear are not power automatic up and down, but so we got your control, your mirror controls, obviously your opening. We got your emergency brake here, and we got all your, basically your controls for lights, fog lights, and all kinds of, I have to check all this, what this is, your mirrors if I'm correct. This might probably extend the mirrors. I know this has got some, I have to check what this is. I'm not sure, guys. That's a lot of stuff I got to learn. But really nice interior, very workable. I mean, really comfortable seats. I really love this truck. So I can only imagine a little higher trim area with more whistles, leather, all kinds of stuff. So, and a better engine. But awesome truck, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, as I just mentioned, this was got the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. So this is, there's like 6 engine choices for the F-150. This is being like the second best, the second from the top, from the bottom, excuse me. I'm gonna turn on the engine because it's super hot. So we got the key here. We're gonna just drop it off here like all modern Fords. That's our keyless. So really nice interior. Got a cloth kind of plasticky feel. Look, it's really nice. It's got aluminum, and yes, we got a nice sound system in this one here. So we got basically your digital instrumentation in the middle with analog gauges, tachometer, speedometer. Obviously you got all your menus here, volume, choice of tracks, all kinds of stuff. This has got a column shifter on this one. No center Mac, no rotary dial here on this one in the middle. Obviously you get a 10-inch screen here, if I'm correct. I'll double check on that, but beautiful screen, very crystal clear, very easy to operate, as you can see here. Very cool. Super easy to navigate, very quick touchscreen. This has got the Sync 4 system on it, where so this is for the latest and greatest sync system. And obviously we got nav. We got a lot of towing as well, because this has got the towing package and all kinds of apps, settings. And we should look and see if we can get to the features of the car. Driver assistance, obviously this has got a towing package. It's got a lot of towing, some lighting, all kinds of bells and whistles. Over here we got obviously the automatic stop. We got the cameras, we can use touch. You can see we got the rear view camera, fantastic quality. Obviously you can turn, and this is being the huge screen. And obviously with the towing ability, if you back up, we're gonna put it in reverse. Actually, let the brake go first here a little bit. So we gotta go press the brake, brakes off. But as you can see, this has got a lot of towing, I would say when you're towing, it's got a lot of help and features when you're towing with a trailer or anything like that. So really give you a camera, you can actually zoom in and back out, which is awesome. And I believe this is going to give you, what is this, remote brake assist not available. All right, so we got no trailer, of course. So, and I believe we do have, I don't believe we got 360 on this one, but we do have a really nice backup camera with the optional trailer and help. So obviously you got your hazards, you got your trail descent, and you got your stability off here as well. So I'm gonna give you a little more video on one of the options, guys. We're gonna go test drive this girl and see what it can do. So we got a 10-speed automatic transmission in this one. Let's put on our seat belts and let's try to head out. All right, guys, so column shifter, we'll put yes or okay. And of course we got a lot of features here. We'll do it quickly. We got a lot of options: top fuel, we got truck info, towing, obviously you got navigation, phone, you can search all your phone numbers and all that stuff through here, audio control, settings, which gives you configuration, speedometer, all kinds of great stuff. Basically all the stuff that Ford gives you normally. And love the gauges you got. Obviously fuel, you got an engine coolant, obviously you got oil temperature, and also your freeze. So you got all kinds of great gauges. Beautiful truck. I love it's very spacious. I love this interior. It's got leather here in the middle, and got a really nice sound system, as you can hear. So let's go on. And of course you got your brake trailer assist right here, because this one's got the trailer tow package. This one's got the chrome package, and it's got a 355 axle. So let's head out. Super smooth, great. Steering wheel is a little bigger than the ones I've tested before, but it's leather's got a great feeling to it. No cars coming. Super quiet, comfortable seats. So 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, turbocharged, 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. I will say it's gotta be pretty decent. Gas mileage on this one is about 19 city and about 24 highway, if I'm correct. I'll correct those. I'll put them on the screen. So as you can see, we got some pretty decent. Oh yeah, it's got some good pulling power, of course. Nice, very smooth, quiet engine. Plenty. This one, I believe this one tows to about 7,800 pounds is what I saw with this power configuration, with this engine, and the way that it is. It's 4x, so we got 4x4. So really nice. I really love this interior of the new F150. It's really nice. I have driven an F150 before, but I believe it was a 2015 model, if I'm correct. So that's the old generation, and I believe that was a V8 one. So there is a V8 available with the new ones, but obviously we got a host of diesels and EcoBoost engines and hybrid models as well. So I hope to bring you another, hope to drive one of the hybrid models or a diesel model. So, but we're cruising at 55. Really nice, very smooth, quiet, no engine noise, very light in what do you call it, air wind noise, but that's about it. So checking our mirrors here. I haven't driven an F-150 in a while. Obviously this is a pretty heavy vehicle, tall. You know, I've been driving pretty smaller vehicles, from the EcoSport to this is a big difference, but plenty of power. I mean, obviously it's not the quickest, you know, the engine has got, but for, you know, something more basic that you need, a little better fuel economy. Still got a V6 turbo engine in this, so be plenty for every day. Really easy to, it's a little bit far from me, but it's just, you know, you can definitely use your controls here. But yeah, it's pretty easily to the screen. Got all your controls at range. You got obviously volume control here, all the kind of stuff. AC is doing great. So I'll take a right here, and let's see the braking. Oh yeah, the brakes are good. Oh yeah, not a sports car by any means, which I love to do some performance driving, but for a truck, it's very well. And the power is really smooth. This engine is super smooth, gets up to speed fairly easy. I mean, I'm sure it's got more power, but being a brand new vehicle, I'm not gonna, you know, squirt the whole lot of it. So what can you say? Ford's best-selling truck. They keep improving it every time they redo it or update it, so they're gonna continue that trend. So now I'm gonna talk about the price and everything once we get back and do a little more sit-down review on it. I'm gonna split the videos probably, because I tend to see these videos go over 20-25 minutes. I'm gonna do this. Is gonna be a POV drive of this F-150, and then I'll go back and do another video of the review of the truck with a little more details and stuff like that on interior. So I mean, there's obviously there's a ton of features. You know, everything's got, especially these trucks have a ton of features. It'll be impossible to cover everything in one shot, so I need like a 2-hour video just to cover half of it probably. But giving you an overall experience of this engine, 2.7 liter, really nice and smooth, plenty of power. Braking is very nice. Brakes are pretty much immediately. It's got good pedal modulation. Feels, look at the suspension, is very soft. Obviously doesn't feel as stuck down, obviously, but this is a 4x4 truck, so I'm not expecting this to feel like a, you know, like a sports, you know, SUV or something like that, or like the recent Mach-E that I drove. So But I'm gonna put, yeah, the brakes are good. Yeah, it's got plenty of braking. Tesla has good brakes. Obviously, if you're towing something that's 1,700 pounds, you're gonna need some extra good brakes. So really like the truck, really nice. I love this interior. The gray cloth two-tone is really nice, feels rugged, feels like it's gonna last for a while. Perfect seating for Florida, because in Florida, as you know, we got lots of heat, and leather seats in Florida I'm not a big fan of. This is a perfect interior. I would love all day to get cloth seats in any car. Obviously there's not a lot of options sometimes because they offer you only leather or some sort of synthetic leather, but I really like this interior. Very good visibility. You can go low cal. You got, this is a really nice interior. You got the nice navigation screen. Everything's at your fingertips. No pedals on this one here. It says a manual on this one. You can probably upshift manually, but probably for towing will be good. But other than that, it's got plenty of space. We'll get a little bit into the more of it, and once we finish our test drive. So really nice truck. Obviously Ford just improves them and just has so much options nowadays. With they have to improve, and they have to make this one of the best-selling trucks. The best-selling truck in America. You know, they have to just always make improvements, and they've done a fantastic job so far on this one. So I'm gonna get to drive this. I'm hoping I get to drive another one, not probably this one, but not soon. But hoping I get to drive another one, a hybrid or the V8 one, get a comparo. Everybody loves the V8, obviously, but the future, of course, is, you know, turbo power, hybrid power, or electric power. As we know that the Ford F-150 Lightning is coming very soon, and that's going to be a powerhouse. That's going to be, I think it's already, there's a lot of already orders on that one. So I don't blame him. Ford, you know, I drove the Mach-E, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, fantastic car. I can only imagine how good it would be in the pickup, which everybody loves. So let's take a little bit of a turn here. Oh yeah, oh yep. This is not a sports car, but it doesn't handle too bad, to be honest. So plenty of power. I see this thing has got plenty of power. Good handling, quiet ride, comfortable seating, awesome stereo. Obviously got some kind of chill music going on. But yes, so Ford's really done a great job with this one here. I like it. The steering's a little bit light, but that's expected of a vehicle like this. And I got a little decal here. But yes, very impressive. Obviously we got some storage here. Where are the buttons for this thing? I can't find them. I'll find it once we get back. I'm gonna wait a little more. So yes, really nice vehicle. I definitely recommend an F-150. Obviously this one's a little bit lower spec. So we got, you know, the lower inside engine. This one's got, it's got a 4x4. It's got the FX4 package on it. So, and as you can see here, we'll put it on it. Yeah, this has got plenty. Already doing 60. Doesn't feel under power by any means. Plenty to go. I can only imagine the other ones with a lot more horsepower. So obviously that will equal more. It'll be perfect if you want to tow something light and need a pickup this size. Obviously if you're going to go with a bigger motor, if you're going to tow something much heavier. So very impressive with this Ford F-150. So obviously it gives you your limits here. So really cool. I really like this one here. So awesome truck. So guys, I hope you guys a little bit of test drive, guys. I'm gonna do another video for all the features inside, a little more walk around around the vehicle. Please guys, subscribe, like the video, help us out a lot and help us grow the channel. Have a fantastic day, and if you have any questions or any more things about this F-150, please comment below, and I'll be more than happy to get through as much information as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.